Alright guys, the first thing I'm going to do is open up the oil cap. I'm going to open it but leave it in there, and then just pop this to pop the seal as well. Okay guys, got my 17mm wrench, my oil pan. There's a little opening right here. We're just going to take this screw off. There'll be a little bit of pressure behind the oil, so just make sure you hold this screw and try to pull it out slowly. Okay guys, I just wanted to note the reason for popping the oil thing up top is just allow the air to come through so we can get the oil out a little bit faster. So this is almost dripping now. I'm going to pull this up so it's just on the edge of the bucket. And then right here is where the oil filter is. So we pop this out and reach up there. Hopefully it's not too tight. Usually I end up putting it too tight and have a hard time getting it off, but let's give it a shot. So this is just about empty. It's just dripping now. I'm gonna reinstall this screw, drain plug. You don't want to over tighten this. Okay, so the filter is the same process. You don't want to over tighten. I like to just clean the surfaces while I got it out to make sure there's no dirt or anything on the O-ring mating surface. So this O-ring here on the new filter, I'm just gonna rub it in the old oil just so it gets a little wet, and that'll give us a real good seal. And again, quarter to half a turn once it's all done. Alright guys, so we got the oil filter back on, the drain plug back on, they're nice and tight. Now we need to fill. Remember, it takes about 4.5 quarts. I usually start with 4. Drop the car down, start it up, get the engine a little bit hot, and then I'll measure and add as needed. Just want to remind you that I do use 530 in this. I believe 530 is better than 520. It's a little bit thicker. It'll last a little bit longer. I know this car only has 87,000 miles on it, but it's running really well for me. So once I put this oil in, we check all of that. It's good to go. Good to go for another 5,000 miles. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to be doing more videos of how-tos, garage talk, racing videos, anything that really comes up. And also, I will put the links to the oil that I use and all the equipment that I use to do this job very easily down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.